So there is a hidden tool in ElevenLabs called AI Speech Classifier, and basically the goal of this tool is to identify if a voice or speech was a real human voice or was created by AI. And the application of this tool is beyond for just content creation, because this could prevent yourself from being scammed. Like for example, you might receive a voice message or phone call that sounded familiar to maybe your friends or family member, but you're not so sure if it is a real voice or actually generated by AI. Well, you can run that audio with this tool and see what it says. So let me show you how you can use this AI detector tool in ElevenLabs and a few limitations that you need to be aware of. So let me just log in to my account. And by the way, this is only available in the web version of ElevenLabs. Now, I'm going to click my account and then click AI Speech Classifier. Now, before I upload any of audio files, let me just give you some examples of audio files that I'm going to test in this video. So I have 1, 2, 3 different audio files, and I want you to guess which one of these is AI and also real human voice. I'm going to play the first 5 to 6 seconds of each of these audio files.
The ocean covers more than 70% of Earth's surface and contains 97% of all water on the planet.
Okay, that was audio number 1. How about this one?
The ocean covers more than 70% of Earth's surface and contains 97% of all water on the planet.
Okay, now, finally, the audio number 3.
The ocean covers more than 70% of Earth's surface and contains 97% of all water on the planet.
Okay, I hope you have a lock in your answer. Now let's go back to ElevenLabs and I'm going to upload the audio number 1. It will just give you the answer immediately. Okay, it's basically saying that the audio is likely created by AI in ElevenLabs, and yeah, it is right. It is actually the cloning of my own voice. Now, how about the audio number 2? If you guess that it is a real voice, well, you will be right, because that's my real voice, and yeah, it's actually spot on. It says that the probability that this audio was generated by AI is very, very low, and therefore it is likely to be a human voice. Now, the last one is very tricky, and in fact, this tool is not going to be reliable for that particular audio file. So let me just upload the last audio, which is audio number 3. And it is actually made by AI, and yet, according to ElevenLabs, it's likely to be a real human voice, but it is not true. It is AI. Now, that is ElevenLabs is giving me this answer because that audio was actually created by the version 3 model. And I would assume because the version 3 model is so good, very natural, very human, that's why this detector tool is not quite reliable at detecting audio that was created by that model. And yeah, that's one big limitation, but I'm hoping that in the future, ElevenLabs will improve this tool and eventually it is able to detect even if the audio was created by this advanced model. And perhaps another thing that you need to be aware of is this audio is only work if, this tool is only work if the audio was indeed created by ElevenLabs. So if they're using a different AI tool, well, it's gonna be difficult and less reliable to actually get the correct answer. So these are the two limitations, but overall, I would say given that ElevenLabs is a very popular, I would say it is the #1 choice for anyone who wants to clone an audio or a voice, then it's likely that people are going to be using this tool to create AI voice. So that's basically how you can use the AI detector from ElevenLabs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.